Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the BTV app to your Firestick in 2025. The whole process is pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And the very first step is you gotta get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. So if you already have a Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So I have to go to search on the Fire Stick, open the search bar, and start typing downloader in here. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get. But after you got downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up downloader, we go back to settings by clicking that button, which says My Fire TV. So we click on it, and then from here, we need to turn on the developer options. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's gonna say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate downloader, there it is, and just turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, let me open it. And there is the downloader, which we got. However, before actually using the downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Poland right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go back to a list of apps on your device, locate Downloader, and let's open it up, finally. So open it, and now in here, you just need to enter a code in that search bar. So the code will be 915757. So again, 915757. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. Now this web page will open up, you have to scroll it down. And from here you can download different versions of the app. So let's say if one of those apps does not work for you, you can always download a different version and hopefully it will work. So let's say I will try out the newest version of the application, which is currently 4.5.2. So click on download and the download of the app has started. Usually it takes only a couple of seconds. Then click install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on the Firestick device. So you click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on your Firestick. And then let's go back to a list of apps on your device. Open it up together. Wait a bit until it loads. And now there at the bottom, you will finally see BTV application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on your remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will be at the very top of your application list. And therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.